What is going on YouTube? Today I have an awesome video for you guys. Today I have the SlimQ 330 Slim super duper fast charger thingamajiggy. Now before I get into this video, I would like to say that SlimQ actually sent this out to me for review. Shout out to your boy, he's making it. But all thoughts are my own, and I honestly wanted to purchase this myself, and I'm very excited to have this new little piece of tech to add to my kit. So without further ado, let's dive right into this. So this awesome little carrying case here, I believe only comes with their 330 watt charging brick. But I am a sucker for a nice little organized case. Alright, let's dive right into this paperwork we have here. User manual, I'll leave this here if you would like to pause on any of that. Nothing too crazy. I'll get into how this works here in a little bit. Alright, here is a little sneak peek of some of the stuff you can get with SlimQ. So as you can see, they not only have little charging bricks that are gallium nitride just for like your phone, iPad, MacBook and stuff, but here the special thing about what we have is that this is specifically made for gaming laptops. They also have plenty of adapters and any kind of adapter that you would need for whatever gaming laptop that you own. They also have some very cool cables, one of which I have here. It is the USB 4 4K 240 Hz 40 gigabits per second with a screen on it. Very cool, very nerdy stuff. Alright, next it's going to come with this little note. Congratulations on your SlimQ product. Important reminder not to do dumb things with the charger. Again, pause it and read it if you'd like, but honestly, I have been using this for the past couple weeks now and everything is very easy to use. It's just plug and play, no problem. Let's file these off to the side. Alright, first let's check out this charger here. We have the SlimQ 330 watt supercharger. Here is your little LED notification status light. On this side, you have your DC 20 volt adapter. This is where your gaming laptop adapter cable is going to be getting its juice from. And then you have two USB Type-C ports, which means you only really have to bring this one brick and it can power everything that you have. So you have that gaming laptop port and your two USB-C ports. And these USB-C ports max out at 100 watts each, which is pretty incredible. I will show you that right here one more time, just so you can take a look at all of the power information. So on the other side of this, we have this very nice fabric with the SlimQ logo. Here's going to be the DC outlet power thingamajig that goes straight into the wall, and honestly this is one of the best feeling and looking built chargers that I've ever used. Here's some more information about the charger and the power requirements. I'm currently on a trip right now and did not bring my Asus charger with me, but like what do I use for scale? Here's an iPhone. So here is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Check out how small this thing is. That is absolutely ridiculous, especially when you take into consideration just how big some gaming laptop chargers could be and how small this is, while also having those USB-C ports. Absolutely sick. Okay, here is that USB-C cable. Now this does not come with the 330 watt little bundle, but I will leave a link down in the description below for this cable. I think it's only like 15 bucks. Really cool that it has a little LED display on there to show you how fast you are getting charged, and it has a little indication about the specs of this cable. USB 4, 240 watts, 40 gigabits per second, 8K, 60 hertz. Very nice cable, very well built, and I am just standing over this charging stuff. I don't know what it is about these little nerdy things that gets me going, but man, something about a really nice cable. Woo-wee. Now, to continue on the cableology here, this is going to be that little DC adapter that goes on this side. Comes with a pretty high quality silicone little wrapping band here, and that cable is made out of some kind of very thick and durable nylon. One of my favorite things about all of this here is that you could purchase any one of these bits separately to keep the modularity of this going and to use this for, I'd assume, years, because having a laptop go more than 330 watts peak power, something that, I mean, that laptop would be burning up. So I do believe that if you get this, you just swap cables out if they fray, or you could change adapter cables as you get a new laptop, and this thing's gonna last you a very long time. Okay, next you have the cable that goes right here underneath this little flap, which provides your power to your gaming laptop. And these cables are very, very long, so wherever your outlet is, you should have a very good chance of making it reach wherever you want to. Currently, I have plugged up to this, or it's not plugged up, but this is the 330 watt ASUS adapter, which I will be using for my testing with my 2023 M16 with 4080. I'll have links to all this stuff down in the description below if you would like to purchase any of these things. And just to show you guys the modularity, here is the 2023 adapter, as I was talking about before, but if you're on that new, here is the 240 watt ASUS adapter as well. So if you have multiple laptops, a work laptop, a gaming laptop, 2 gaming laptops if you're crazy, you could bring just whatever adapters that you need for your laptops, stuff them here, and you have one charger for everything. How sick is that? Alright, without further ado, let me get all this stuff plugged up and show you exactly how it works. Alright, so as you can see, I have my Zephyrus M16 with a 4080 2023 running full blast, playing some Street Fighter. I apologize for the fan noise because at the end of the day, this is a gaming laptop. But I have the Slim Q 330 watt super duper charger plugged in. I have that little adapter plugged in with the ASUS 330 watt adapter here. Everything is running 100% full throttle, ready to go. Now, here is where the fun part comes in. Now, as you can see, I have those 2 extra USB-C ports. Here is the USB 4 240 watt, 40 gigabit per second, 8K super duper cable with a screen. So I'm going to plug this in to the charger and plug in my iPhone. As you can see, iPhone's charging. And Focus. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, but 24 watts. Game is still working. Charger's still working. Fast charging an iPhone. Playing my game. You know, let me just do this because it looks a lot cooler. Boom. As you can see, absolutely no problems. Now, if you don't know how this charger works, what is going to happen is the laptop is going to pull as much power as it possibly can or needs from this charger. So this is 330 watts. The laptop here, the OG charger, the OEM one that comes with it, I believe is 270 or 280 watts. Now that, of course, is never really going to hit that maximum wattage. So you have to plan with it as if, you know, there's a maybe 20-30 degree tolerance to the left. So maybe they're around, like, I don't know, 250. So with that in mind, you have about 80 extra watts to pull from this. Now, if you try and, I don't know, say charge something at 100 watts, or if you try and do 200 watts, 100 watt split each, this is going to default to its safety function and turn off as to not damage any of your peripherals or equipment. So let's say this does do 250 watts. 250 watts goes straight to this DC 20 volt little adapter into your laptop, and the remainder of the power is split between these two USB-C ports. So Street Fighter still going 100%. As you can see, still rocking 20 watts on this iPhone. iPhones do not charge very fast. Let me plug something else in real quick. Here is my DJI microphone set that I'm using right now, strapped on my shirt, which is why you do not see it. USB-C, boop, and boop. Charging right up. And again, Street Fighter working 100%. I can't really do a combo behind the camera here, but phone charging still going good. 24 watts. Laptop going. DJI getting charged up. I mean, this is the ultimate charger for almost anything, I would dare say. If you have a main laptop at home, you know, not a gaming PC, and this is on your desk, and you have this bad mamma jamma right next to this, and you have, you know, like a desk peripherals, like, I don't know, a 3-in-1 MagSafe charging thing, or you just want to charge your phone or other peripherals, this is one of the coolest pieces of tech that I think has come out in recent years. So, if you do have any questions on this, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I'm very excited to have this a part of my new travel kit and home kit and lab. You know, I just cannot get enough of this charger, because honestly, once you upgrade your laptop, all you have to do is buy a $9 little adapter cable, and you get to keep this sweet little gallium nitride charger, which is just super sick. This is modular, how SlimQ is coming out with different accessories and adapters over time. It is just super. I'm nerding out over charging stuff, I know, but if you like nerding out over stuff like this, please leave a like, sub, and comment. It really goes a long way in supporting this channel. I think I've nerded out enough over this, and I really appreciate you guys stopping by. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.